Welcome back to the vlog. Saturday morning, and the BMW Club of Southern Alberta is having a cars and coffee. So we're gonna go check it out, and I'm gonna bring you guys along. And if you guys have watched the last vlog, you'll see that most of the snow's melted now. And a lot of the trees still have all their leaves, so it was just a freak winter storm, but it's supposed to be nice today, tomorrow, Monday, and then the snow's returning on Tuesday. So I think this will be the last Cars and Coffee. This might even be the last event outing with Quinn. So let's head down to the Block Lounge and Restaurant where they host their Cars and Coffee, and we'll go check things out. So keep watching. Let's head down there. Alright, we made it to the Kitchen Block Lounge. Well, there's a few cars here already. We're gonna go over and grab some McDonald's first, get a nice warm coffee, maybe something to eat, and then we'll come back and do some visiting. And it doesn't start till 10, so we're like 15 minutes early, which is pretty standard for Marty and I. But yeah, let's go get something to eat, and then we'll come back and show you guys all the cars. It's gone. It was good. We seen some nice cars. Let me know below what car is your favorite. We are going to take this time and go and shoot some fall pictures of the cars. So I think we'll head down towards Bowness Park and see if we can get some nice shots before we put the cars away. So keep watching, stay tuned. Let's go for a drive, go get some photos.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. They see you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you.
Well guys, welcome to Bowness. I don't think we've ever come down here before with the vlog, but it was once just a small town that's kind of been engulfed into Calgary. Pretty cool neighborhood. They've been redoing it a lot. Newer buildings. But this Bowness Auto Parts, that Bowness Auto Parts has been there for as long as I can remember. I'm pretty sure it was there before I was even born. Pretty cool. But welcome to Bowness, a little subdivision in Calgary. Super nice, big old trees, good looking neighborhood. Tunnel blast.
Around for you. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. Yeah. I'm so handsome. All in Carmine's with my Benzo. I'm so.
Well, we're here at one of our famous spots for taking photos. And there seems to be a marathon going on. There's a lot of runners coming by. It's a little chilly too, as I'm sure you guys can hear. It's really windy too. Yeah, but these people are out here grinding away. So Marty's just pulling his car up, and we can get some more pictures of the two cars together.
Fancy.
Tearing it up.
No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish. No time to play, got book dates. Had a plan, only had to wait. Always knew I'd make a way. Send a bill, they send a pay. Keep it real, keep the record straight. Keep it real, no time to fake. All authentic in my own lane. I am me till I'm in the grave. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take a loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. Ooh, never panic. Little worry, send it up and then advantage. Yeah, I can't stand it. Out of order way you move and see you scrambling. On offense, no defense. Still strong, no weakness. Used to.
Well, there we go. We got the cars out this morning. Got to some cars and coffee. Showed you guys some BMWs. Drop a comment. What's your guys' favorite? Which one did you like the most? And then we went and did some pictures. Brought you guys along. And then the drive-bys. Big shout out to Marty for helping me do the drive-bys for the vlog. That was pretty rad. I can tell you it's way easier with two people rather than just myself setting up a tripod and all that other jazz. So let me know what you guys thought of today's vlog. Tomorrow we're heading up to the BMW gallery for breakfast with a tech. So it's for people to ask more questions about their cars. different things that they can be done with the techs, and just get to know your BMW more. So we're gonna bring you up with that tomorrow. Marty invited me along to come up and vlog it and bring you guys along and kind of show you what Breakfast with the Tech's all about. So if you want to see that content, please smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. It'll let you know every time I drop a new vlog. So we're just waiting for Marty at the car wash here, and then we're going to head home. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. A little short. It was nice to get the cars out with the sun shining and just enjoying one last nice drive. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.